The Holiday S one-log cabin features 3 sets of folding doors, which make it especially pleasant during warmer time of the year, as they allow you to open up a large area on the front of the cabin. These bifold doors also flood the cabin with light and maximize your view from within the cabin. Both bedrooms and the living room have its own entrance. Both bedrooms have separate rooms within which you could install bathroom facilities and wardrobes. These features make this cabin flexible to use as a rental cabin, holiday home, office building, guest house. All doors and windows are double-glazed and equipped with European-made door and window systems. For using this cabin year-round, we would recommend adding on our roof and floor insulation kit.